For me, hold your hand while the pain